Going backpacking? That's great! Whether you are planning to hike a lot or just chill at a remote beach, go on a few weeks or maybe for a few months, your backpack is going to be your home for that time. So, it doesn't mean that you should pack your entire home into your bag, no. But your backpack should contain everything you will need for your trip. On this course, you will learn all you need to know about packing for a backpacking trip. You will learn about the different types of bags, how to choose the right bag that will suit your needs, how to adjust a backpack to your body, what you should take with you and what you should not, how to pack everything in a way that you can find what you need without making a whole mess in your backpack, and of course, some useful packing tips and tricks that will make your life as a backpacker much more easy and fun. So, are you ready to pack?